Okay, there's the 120.
The preceding phone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special film receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between
God
11
damn it.
and 12 noon
No,
on
wrong
each Wednesday.
stream.
This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania. These receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.